In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a workspace in ClickUp. If you've been invited to collaborate with your team in ClickUp, but you're not quite sure how to get started, don't worry. I'll walk you through the entire process from opening the invitation email all the way to completing the quick onboarding inside ClickUp. First, head over to your email inbox. In this example, we'll use Gmail, but the process is the same for any email provider. Look for an email from ClickUp or from the person who invited you to their workspace. The subject line usually mentions that you've been invited to a workspace, so you can use the search bar in your inbox to type ClickUp or Workspace invite if you don't see it right away. Also, make sure to check your spam or promotions folders just in case the email landed there by mistake. Once you've located the invitation email, open it up. Inside, you'll see a message explaining that you've been invited to join a ClickUp workspace, along with a button that says something like Accept Invite. When you're ready, click on that button. This is what connects your email address to the workspace you've been invited to. After clicking Accept Invite, you'll be taken to ClickUp in your browser and guided through an account creation sequence. If this is your first time using ClickUp, you'll need to set up your account. Typically, you'll be asked to confirm your name, create a secure password, and agree to ClickUp's terms. Take a moment to choose a strong password that you'll remember and avoid reusing passwords from other accounts for security reasons. If you already have a ClickUp account with the same email address, ClickUp may simply ask you to log in instead of creating a new account. Once your account is set up or you've logged in, ClickUp will automatically connect you to the workspace you were invited to. From here, you'll see a simple, quick onboarding flow. This onboarding helps ClickUp understand how you plan to use the tool and sets up a few basic preferences for you. You might be asked about your role, what kind of work you do, or which features you're most interested in. Answer these prompts honestly, but don't stress too much. You can always adjust your settings later. When you finish the onboarding, you'll land inside your new ClickUp workspace